Hey everyone, in this how-to video, we're actually going to be going over HeyGen AI today, okay? So it's going to be exciting, so let's dive right in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to actually go into Google, just type in HeyGen AI, and you'll look for heygen.com. And now when you're on HeyGen's website, you're going to see this button here to sign up for free. So go ahead and sign up for free, and then we'll dive right into the back end. All right, so once you're here, you have a choice of several different options here. So you could create your first video, which is what this one is. You could generate your digital twin, or you could translate a video. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a digital twin of ourselves. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on Create Avatar here. So you're going to see a little training video. That's okay. Go ahead and click on Continue. And the one that we're going to choose is Still. Now, the assumption here is that, you're not going to be doing much moving. You're probably sitting down, or even if you're standing up, but, you're in an environment where you're doing little movement, and the movement that's happening is generally underneath your head. All right, so your hands are moving. Try not to point in different places, but just kind of keep it like just normal, your normal hand movements, what you would do normally, and just keep it very natural. And you want to look into the camera as much as you can. All right, so I'm going to actually change my position. I'm going to stand up for this so that we can actually get some good stuff. And maybe you want to add some more lighting. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, so here we go. And now, I've got a pretty decent background. It's as clear as it could be here. It's in my room, but this could be any environment. And it's going to try and replicate that, a lot of it. All right, so let's go ahead and let's click on Still. All right, so now here's the instructions here. So we're going to go over by creating a 2 to 5 minute video here. And you're going to use a high resolution camera. I'm still just going to be using my webcam here, which is actually still pretty good. It gets a good 1080p. You're going to be looking directly in the camera, and we're going to be pausing between each sentence with your mouth closed. That's it. That's all you got to do. And you're going to be using generic gestures, just like I'm doing right now. Don't go above the chest, sort of thing. Don't do that sort of thing. And whenever we're speaking, you want to exaggerate the emotions as much as possible. So as you can see here, I'm exaggerating a lot of stuff as much as possible. The other thing that you want to do is you want to stare right in the camera, all right, as much as possible. And you want to keep it a full 2 to 5 minutes. And so one of the things that you want to do is maybe tell a story. Use a story that works for you, something that maybe something like Little Red Riding Hood or, the Three Little Pigs. And then afterwards, what's going to happen is you should be able to get a good 2 to 5 minute video. From there, we should have enough to actually upload to HeyGen and create our avatar. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so I went ahead and I created a really cool video on, the Three Little Pigs, and now I'm going to upload it here in the next step. So here we go. We're going to click on Upload Footage. All right, and then we're just going to check these off here. So is your face visible at all times? It is. You're looking directly into the camera. I am. There are pauses between sentences. There are. The environment is well lit and quiet. So it's got all of that. So my footage looks good. So let's click on My Footage Looks Good and go right ahead. So at this point now, they want us to record a video to prove, who we are, just in case, anyone tries to use this, service for really bad things. And so for us, we're planning to use it for sales and service and to help us to, get our time back and, help us out in various ways. But at the same time, there are people who will use it for bad things. And so they want to just make sure that you're not using it for anything bad. So go ahead and do this next step. You have to prove your identity. All right, so once you've done the consent form, you should see this page here where your upload goes in and it says your avatar look is being created. All right, so that's going to be exciting. Let's see what happens next. So I'm going to hit done, and apparently it's going to take us a few minutes. So I'll come back when it's ready to go. All right, so when you're done, you should see this page here. It says your avatar is ready. All right, so now we're going to add a few details. So we're going to name this avatar, and I'm just going to call this Solomon Christ 1. All right, and apparently we're going to be able to do even more, but we're going to start off with this one here. All right, so go right ahead, and once you accept that, hit continue. And you'll see here that it's now getting ready, and it's almost there. It's about 40% done. All right, so now when we're done, just go to the Avatars tab here and just click on that. And you should be able to see your new avatar ready to go. So let's go ahead and click on this, and let's see how it works. Avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. I am freaking out right now because it looks like me. It even sounds like me. Oh my goodness, it's that's incredible. And I don't even have to worry about recording it. Oh my, I can't believe this. This is wild. This is amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and now you should be able to hit next, and you should be able to enter creating this with AI Studio. So let's go ahead and click on landscape, and we should be able to dive right in and start building with this. So yeah, we can actually type in whatever we want, and apparently it's going to read it out. So let's get, maybe an article. Let's get the latest news article here. And we're just going to take this first part here, I guess. All right. And we're going to go back to HeyGen, and we're going to just paste this in. All right, and let's hit play. Automation is evolving. AI agents are turning efficiency into an art form and reshaping how brands engage and operate. The gist: AI-powered marketing automation tools. AI agents move beyond basic chatbots and allow businesses to orchestrate complex workflows across platforms. That is incredible. That has replicated my voice and it's replicated my visuals, and we're going to create this here. This is wild. I'm not kidding you. This is beyond wild that we could do this. So let's actually take a look at what this looks like now. I'm going to submit it, and we're going to see what the video looks like. And remember, I've never recorded this. This is all AI generated now. So let's go ahead, hit submit, and we're going to choose a name. I'm going to call this sample 1. And location, yeah, my videos, that's fine. Resolution is 720p. If you pay for higher, you'll get higher, which is fine. FPS, you could choose. You can get higher FPS. MP4 is the format. That's completely fine. And let's go ahead and hit submit. All right. So I want to see what this looks like. So when it's ready, we'll come back and we'll take a look. All right, the video is ready. So we're going to download this and we're going to take a look. This is wild. Check this out. Marketing automation is evolving. AI agents are turning efficiency into an art form and reshaping how brands engage and operate. The gist: AI-powered marketing automation tools. AI agents move beyond basic chatbots and allow businesses to orchestrate complex workflows across platforms. Faster, smarter execution. AI agents speed up processes like data entry and appointment scheduling, and they cut down manual effort while enhancing efficiency. Marketing team relief. By handling routine tasks, AI agents let marketing teams focus on strategic decisions, which increases productivity and drives more impactful campaigns. AI is not just heading for our industry, it will radically change the machinery we use in marketing. Tim Berners-Lee. Oh my goodness. How wild is that? That is what AI could do. Oh my goodness. Can you imagine now what this is going to do for so many different industries? You think about you're doing sales, you're doing marketing, you're doing any form of industry where you need to actually show your face or interact with people. That is massive. And now you know how to do it. HeyGen is an incredible tool, and it is definitely a game changer. That was wild. So far, I'm always getting surprised by some of the most incredible AI tools and systems that are out there. This has so far been one of the most exciting ones, and every day there's something new that comes out, and I'm like, oh man, that one blew me away even more. This one was just, it just blew my mind. And obviously I'm going to be sharing that video across all my socials, letting everyone see it. But it just shows you what's possible with this technology. All right. So once again, that was HeyGen. This was the how-to step-by-step, great little tutorial for those who are just starting out. Give it a shot and let me know what you think. Please join my school community down below. I'm constantly bringing out more content, and that's where I've decided to really kind of put everything together. And I look forward to seeing you in that community. All right, so take care. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.